In this guide, I'm going to show you how to join guild in Universal Tower Defense X on Roblox. Before we do get into this guild, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, you do need to open up the guild menu first. So look over on this right hand sidebar, select guilds, and then from here, what you need to do is look over on the top up here and select join guild. You can then select find guild and search for a guild just like so. And of course, what you want to do is search for whatever guild. So type in the name that you want. For example, you could type in BOZ. I don't think there's going to be anything on here. Oh, actually there is right here. So search up BOZ, right? And then you want to select it just like so. And then you can either hit join guild, or if it's a private guild, you can hit request to join just like so. And if you get accepted, you will now be in that guild. But that's how you can find and join a guild here in Universal Tower Defense X. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.